Namaste all of you. My name is Dr. Ritu Singh Rajput, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today, our topic is gene knockout. The gene knockout is a genetic technique which one of the organism gene is made up of. However, can also be referred to the gene that is knocked out or an organism that carries the gene knockout. Knockout organism or the simply knockouts are used to study gene functions usually by the investigating the effect of the gene loss. Researchers draw interference from the difference between knockout organism and the normal individuals. The KO technique is the initially the opposite of the gene knock-in. Knocking out two genes simultaneously is the organism is known as a double knockout. Similarly, the terms triple knockout and the quarterly knockout are used to describe 3 or 4 knockout of the gene respectively. However, one need to distinguish between heterogeneous and the homozygous. In former, only one of the two genes copies in the knockout. And the methods are knockout are accomplished through the variety of techniques originally naturally occurring mutation. Where identified, then the gene loss of inactivation had to be established by the DNA sequencing or other methods. A laboratory mouse is the gene affecting hair growth that has been knocked out, and the mouse has been developed the knock-in and knockout genes, and they can be transferred the particular genes. Homologous recognition is the traditionally main method for the causing of the gene knockout. This method is involved creating gene construction containing desired mutation. For knockout purpose, this typically involves a drug resistance marker in the place of the desired knockout gene. The construct will be also contain a minimum 2 kb of homology to the target sequence. The construct can be delivered to stem cell either through the microinjection or the electroporation. This method then relies on the cell-on repair mechanism to the recombining and the DNA construction in the existing DNA as a homologous recombination account for the 10 to 2 and the 10 to 3 DNA integration. And the Y type of knockout mouse dividing phenotype including the gene disruption library transformatives. These leafy gametes are the close-up of the Y type of leaf, different mutants. The stem cell now lacking the gene could be used in vivo on the in instance in the mice by inserting them into the early embryology. If resulting chimeric mouse contain the genetic changes in the, it could be passed from the offspring. In diploid organism which contain two alleles for the most gene and may be contain several related genes that collaborate in some roles. Additional rounds of the transformation and the selection are performed until every target gene is knocked out, and the selective breeding may be required to produce homozygous knockout animals. Site-specific nuclease and there are 3 methods. DNA sequence in the order to the introduction of the double-strand break. Once it occurs, the cell repair mechanism will attempt to the repair this double-stranded break. First is the zinc finger, second is the tollins and the crispers. And the knock-in is the gene knock-in is the similar to the gene knockout, but it replaces a gene with the another instead of the deleting it. And the types are the knockout is the conditional knockout, and the uses are the uses of knockout is the knockout mouse is the generally used in the preliminary use to understand the role of the specific gene or the DNA region by the comparing the knockout organism to wild type with the similar genetic background. And the second one is the genetic organism are also used to the screening tools in the development of the drugs to target specific biological processes or the deficiency by the using of specific knockout or the understand the mechanism of the action of the drug by the using of library of the knockout organism and the spanning the entire genome such as the Saccharomyces cerevisiae. So this is all about the gene knockout. If you have any query, write down in comment box. Thank you.